Today, my friends, this is Chef María Kata for Hogar TV. Today, I'm going to give you some tips how to minimize the waste and maximize the budget. And the fun in the kitchen, we're going to add tons of flavor with some tips that I'm going to give you. For instance, if you're making a French toast, if you're making a casserole, if you're making something that requires a crunchy element, why don't you use some leftover cereal? You can use some cornflakes. It doesn't matter if it's a little sweeter or not. A salty recipe with a sweet touch will go very far. Also, like when you are using your bread to make sandwiches or to make French toast, and if you remove the crust, save it, you can make croutons, you can make breadcrumbs with this, you can do many things, fillings for a casserole. It's a delicious way and zero waste. Always have your chocolate chopped. I have big pieces of chocolate, dark chocolate, white chocolate, milk chocolate, and I use this as my leftover candies, and they've been going for a while in my pantry. I chop them and incorporate them in my ingredients, in my preparations. And a good way to use unsaturated sweeteners, it's use piloncillo or brown sugar. This is unrefined brown sugar that it will not compromise the flavor, but it will add tons and tons of nutrients, natural nutrients into your healthy. Another way is to incorporate the nuts in preparations, like nuts and dried fruits. It's a good way to incorporate like crunchy, sweet, and to have like a nice combination for your salads, your casseroles, your toppings. For anything, you can use this for your granolas and have them ready to have like a little bar. And also, you can make your own milk. You can make your almond milk. You can use also oatmeal, coconut milk, a vegetable milk that will not sacrifice the taste, but it also like sacrifice the calories that we don't want. And I always like to tell people that use natural ingredients to sweet your food. Even if it's salty, we have some maple syrup that will go a very delicious way with meats and different preparations. Just be creative, be healthy, and try to experiment with all the ingredients that we have up there. For more tips, see you in the next time.